Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you the very sad story of the great actor Heath Ledger. Heath Ledger played the Joker in the Batman movie The Dark Knight, and this amazing role changed his life in a very dramatic way. Heath Ledger was a star. He was very bright. He became famous very fast. His life ended quickly and sadly. The actor was born in 1979 in Perth, Australia. His parents named him after a famous book character. He loved acting from a young age. His family life was okay, but his parents divorced. This divorce made Ledger stronger. It also made him more independent fast. He decided to leave school early. He wanted to follow his big acting dream alone now. The determined young man moved to Sydney. There, he started acting in small TV shows. He was ready for the big world. He was only 17 years old when he moved away. His first success came in Australia. He starred in a popular TV series called Sweat. This made him known at home quickly. In 1998, the young actor moved to Los Angeles, USA. This was the place for big movie stars. He was ready to fight for his future. Hollywood saw his handsome face and great talent immediately. He started getting movie roles fast and quickly. His first major film role came in 1999. The film was called 10 Things I Hate About You. This film made him famous very fast, but Heath did not want to stay only a teen idol. He wanted to be a serious actor. He wanted to show his full artistic talent to the world. He chose his next films very carefully always. He looked for difficult roles. He wanted roles that tested his acting skills very well. In 2005, Heath starred in the film Brokeback Mountain. This film was a huge moment for his entire career. He played a complex character in this film. He showed deep emotion and great strength in the role. The world saw him as a truly talented actor now. He was nominated for the Oscar Award. This nomination confirmed his great talent. During this period, he also found love. He met the actress Michelle Williams on the film set. They fell in love fast. They had a beautiful daughter together. Her name is Matilda Rose. This brought great happiness and simple joy into his life. But this happiness did not last for very long, sadly. Great success and intense work brought new stress to his private life. The actor started to feel the strong pressure of Hollywood. He was about to take a role that would change everything forever. Heath Ledger's next choice was the biggest role of his life. This was the villain, the Joker, in the movie The Dark Knight. The actor was ready for a big challenge, but the director chose Heath for the part. Ledger decided to prepare for this role very seriously. He knew this was not a simple villain. He needed to understand the Joker's deep madness. Heath went away from the world for 1 month. He stayed alone in a simple hotel room. He wrote a special diary for the Joker every day. This intense preparation was very demanding for Ledger's mind. He started to have trouble sleeping at night. He felt huge pressure to make the Joker the best villain ever. The actor often slept only 2 hours a night, sadly. The insomnia was a big problem for Ledger during the film shoot. He started taking stronger sleeping pills to try and rest his tired mind. The filming process was also very long and intense, but Ledger carried a heavy, lonely burden inside his own heart. His life changed greatly during this time, sadly. He and Michelle Williams separated sadly. Their loving relationship ended quickly. The intense work and the constant press attention were too much for them. He missed his daughter Matilda very much. Being away from her was terrible for the actor. Ledger moved out of the family home in New York. He moved into a rented apartment alone in the city center. The apartment felt very empty for Heath. He was alone with his deep pain. The insomnia became much worse. The simple sadness became deeper. Ledger was battling inner demons while playing the biggest demon on screen. The actor knew he was doing great work, but the personal cost was too high for Heath. He felt mentally and physically exhausted after the long, hard film shoot. After finishing the Joker role, Heath needed a vacation. He took a new film role quickly to stay busy. The new film was called The Imaginarium of Dr. Parnassus. Ledger flew to London to begin filming the new movie. The actor was still fighting his bad sleep problems. He was also battling a bad cold or flu during this time. He felt weak and very tired always. He tried to balance the demanding film work with his terrible insomnia, sadly. His friends and colleagues saw that Heath was struggling. He looked very thin and very exhausted on the film set. Ledger told a friend that the sleeping pills were not working anymore. He said he often woke up in the middle of the night terrified. The constant stress and the sudden end of his family life were too much. This combination caused great sadness for Heath. The actor moved from London back to New York City. He moved to his rented apartment in Soho to rest and heal his mind. On the 22nd of January, 2008, a massive tragedy happened. The world lost its bright star suddenly. The actor was only 28 years old. Heath was found unconscious in his New York apartment, sadly. His housekeeper found him first after knocking on the door. The emergency services came quickly, but it was too late. Heath Ledger was pronounced dead at the scene. The world was shocked completely by this news. Nobody could believe that the talented young actor was gone forever. The official reports came back later. The cause of death was an accident, sadly. It was a dangerous mix of different medicines. Ledger had taken sleeping pills, painkillers, and anxiety medication together. His simple attempt to find peace led to his unexpected and tragic end. He never got to see the great success of The Dark Knight. He never saw the world's incredible reaction to his famous Joker. The actor's death came just before the summer of 2008. This was when The Dark Knight was released to the whole world. He never saw the finished film. He never felt the huge roar of the audience. He never heard the great praise for his final work. The film was a massive success globally. It broke many box office records instantly. It was one of the best superhero movies ever made. Ledger's performance as the Joker was the core of the film. Everyone called his work a masterpiece of pure acting. Critics said his performance was unique and terrifying. They said he disappeared inside the dark skin of the character completely. The world realized the high price Heath had paid for this genius. They saw the exhaustion behind his sad eyes. The young actor gained huge fame for his final film. This fame was the biggest irony of his entire sad life. Ledger fought terrible sleep problems. He fought depression and deep stress. He found temporary rest only in his death, sadly. The world decided to honor Heath's greatness. He was nominated for many major awards around the world. Ledger won the biggest prize of all. He won the Academy Award, the Oscar, for Best Supporting Actor, sadly. This victory was a very sad moment for everyone watching. The young actor was not there to accept the gold statue on the stage. His grieving family accepted the award for Heath. They spoke about his passion and his deep love for Matilda. The image of his father holding the Oscar was heartbreaking. It showed a victory that felt like a great, terrible loss. The film The Dark Knight made Heath Ledger immortal forever. But the joy of this great success came too late, sadly. He gave us a great character. He paid with his own peace and finally his short life. This is the tragic truth of his final performance. Heath Ledger's sad life is a final lesson for us. It shows the big cost of trying hard for art. He loved his job too much. He broke his own mind's peace. He searched for simple sleep, but found only the end. The actor's best gift is his daughter, Matilda. She is the memory of his simple love and joy. Ledger's name lives on forever in his films. We remember the sad story of his last great act always. Remember this: the great star, who made the world laugh and fear, died alone. He was only 28 years old. His pain was real. His skill was huge. His death was the silent price for the unforgettable Joker.